Hello, welcome. Welcome to Talk Tia. Take a deep breath. You are in the right place.
Yes, really. This is not fast English. This is not scary English.
This podcast is made for you. If you understand English, but you cannot reply, if people speak and your mind becomes blank, if you listen but words fly away,
That was me. Every time. I understood after 5 minutes when the conversation was already finished.
now listen carefully. Today is different. Today you will listen slowly, you will speak safely, and you will feel something change inside you.
And please don't leave early. Most people miss the best part.
Yes, if you stay till the end, you will feel proud. You will say, I did this.
Also, small request. If you feel safe here, if you feel calm here, subscribe. Become part of this family.
All right, let's begin. No pressure, no fear, just you and English. Tom, let me ask you something. When someone speaks English to you, what is the first feeling?
Honestly, fear. My heart beats fast. I think, oh no, English.
Exactly. Most people feel that. Now listen carefully. English is not the problem.
Really? Then what is the problem?
The problem is speed. People speak fast. Your brain needs time.
Yes, my brain says wait, but the speaker does not wait.
That's why today we slow everything down. Very slow, very clear.
That already feels better.
Good. Now I want you, the listener, to do something. Nothing difficult. Just listen to my next sentence. I am learning English.
Simple sentence.
Now say it with me, out loud. Don't think, just speak. Good. If you spoke, smile. If you didn't, it's okay. You are safe here.
I like this place already.
Now let's talk about listening. Most people think listening means understanding every word.
Yes, if I miss one word, I panic.
That's the mistake. Now listen carefully. You do not need every word.
What? Then what do I need?
You need the idea, the feeling, the meaning.
That sounds easier.
Let me show you. I will say a sentence. Don't try to catch every word. Just understand the idea. Yesterday, I was so tired that I slept early.
The idea is you were tired.
Yes, you didn't need yesterday. You didn't need that. You got the meaning.
Wow, that removes pressure.
Now your turn. Listener, listen again. I missed the bus, so I was late for work. What is the idea? Say it in your language or in English. Anything is fine.
This feels friendly.
Good, because English should feel friendly. Now let's move to speaking. This is where fear lives.
Yes, fear.
Let me ask you something, Tom. Why are you afraid to speak?
Because I think I will make mistakes. People will laugh.
Now, listen carefully. This is very important. Mistakes are normal.
Easy to say, hard to feel.
True, so we change the feeling slowly. Small steps.
I like small steps.
Good. Let's start with easy speaking. Repeat after me. I like tea. Again, I like tea.
That feels too easy.
Exactly. Confidence starts with easy wins. Now, let's make it real life. Imagine this situation. You are at a tea shop. Someone asks you, "What do you like?"
Panic moment.
No panic. Simple answer. I like tea.
That's enough?
Yes, English is not a competition.
Mind blown.
Listener, your turn. Say the answer. Very good. Now, I want to ask you something. Do you translate in your head?
All the time. First my language, then English.
Most people do this. Now, listen carefully. Translation makes you slow.
So what should I do?
Think in small English, not big English.
What is small English?
Short sentences, daily words. For example, not, I am extremely hungry at the moment.
That sounds heavy.
Yes. Instead, say, I am hungry.
Much better.
Say it with me. Let's play a small game. Don't skip this part. This helps your brain.
Games are good.
I will ask a question, you answer out loud. Question 1. How are you today? Any answer is good. I am fine. I am okay. I am tired.
All correct.
Yes, English is flexible. Now let's talk about listening fear again. When someone speaks fast, what do you do?
I stop listening.
Exactly. Now listen carefully. Never stop listening.
Even if I don't understand?
Yes, your brain is learning quietly.
Like a child.
Exactly like a child. Let's practice slow listening. I will speak slowly, you just listen. I wake up in the morning. I drink water. I get ready for work.
Very clear.
Now, listener, say one sentence about your morning. Good. Even one sentence is progress. Now, let's talk about a common mistake. Many learners wait for perfect English.
Yes, perfect grammar, perfect accent.
Now, listen carefully. Perfect English is not needed.
Really?
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
That removes pressure again.
Imagine this situation. You are in a shop. You want water.
I think how to say correctly.
You don't need long sentences. Just say, water, please.
That works?
Yes, simple works. Listener, say it. Now, let's do something special. This part is very important. Most people miss this.
I'm listening.
We will connect listening and speaking together.
Okay.
I will say a question, then I will answer it. You repeat the answer. Question: what do you do? Answer: I work in an office. Now you. Good. Again. Question: where are you from? Answer: I am from India. Change the country if you want.
That feels real.
Yes, real-life English. Now, let me ask you, listener, do you feel a little more relaxed now?
I do.
That means it's working. Now, we move a little deeper, but don't worry, still simple.
I trust you now.
Good. Now, let's talk about responses. Many learners don't know how to reply quickly.
Yes, I freeze.
Now listen carefully. You don't need long replies.
Short replies?
Yes. For example, someone says, nice to meet you.
I panic.
Just say, nice to meet you too.
Simple.
Say it. Another one. Someone asks, did you eat?
Grammar fear.
Ignore fear. Say, yes, I did. Or, no, not yet.
That's easy.
Listener, say one answer. Now let's slow down again. Take a breath.
Breathing helps.
English should not steal your breath. Now a small listening challenge. Don't worry, no test.
Okay.
Listen to this short story. Last night, I watched a movie. It was very interesting. I slept late. What is the story about? You got it. even if you missed words. Now let's speak from that story. Say one sentence. Beautiful. Tom, do you notice something?
Yes, we're not studying. We are using English.
Exactly. That is the secret. Now, listen carefully. Confidence comes from use, not study.
I wish I knew this earlier.
You know it now. That's enough. Let's do daily conversation practice.
My favorite part.
Situation 1. At home, someone asks, "Are you free today?" Answer options. Yes, I am free. No, I am busy. Say 1. Good. Situation 2. At work, someone says, "Can you help me?" Answer, "Yes, sure." Or, "Sorry, not now." Say it. Very nice.
This feels like real-life practice.
Because it is. Now, a very important mindset shift. Listen carefully. English is not an exam.
That sentence heals something.
Good. English is a tool.
Like a phone.
Yes, you use it, you don't fear it. Now, let's practice listening without stress. I will speak normally, not too slow. I will meet a friend. What will I do tomorrow? You understood. See? Now your turn. Say one plan for tomorrow. Excellent. Tom, how do you feel now?
Calm, confident, still learning.
That is the perfect feeling. Now we are coming close to the end, but don't rush. Stay with this feeling.
I don't want this to end.
That means you are learning safely. Listener, if you stayed till now, I am proud of you.
Yes, you did something for yourself.
You listened, you spoke, you tried. Before we finish, let's speak one last sentence together. I'm improving my English. Say it again. Believe it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting us.
If this helped you, stay with us.
Subscribe to Talk TIA. This space is for you.
And please write one simple comment.
Just one sentence. I enjoyed this podcast. We will read it. We will smile.
See you soon.
Take care. Keep listening. Keep speaking.